And yes, this is our destination, Coffee House, Newtown, and we finally reached over here. But guys, sadly see how much crowd we encountered today. We were perplexed. We just went and enrolled our names and sat patiently for our names to be called. Yes, that's what we did and that's what you have to
Hey
do.
guys, this is Srijita from dailydose.com. So I hope you all are doing extremely well and so are we. So today we have come to a place like this is booming in Kolkata for the last 4 or 5 days, and I can show you a little how the crowd is over there. So that's why I chose this place, which is little less crowded compared to what we have on that side. Too much crowded over here because the hype has been so much. So I don't know, the list has been too much, and now people are like pouring in. Still there are a lot many people who are trying to come over here, and our names are there, but in the last part of the list we don't know that whether we will be able to enter over there or not, but we are trying. So are they. So let's hope for the best. If we can, then also we'll come up with a blog that what have we have eaten over there and what all we have done. But if we cannot, then also we'll come up with a blog that why can't we and when is the best time to come in this place if you want to actually get inside, because the rush will continue for another, let's say, 2-3 weeks, and after that it will gradually cease down. So in this rush, if you want to come and if you want to do the vlogging or just test the food and be the first comers over here, so then you should be knowing the right time to enter. Let's see what happens. Till then, stay tuned and please keep watching Daily Dose.
And boom. So yes, we finally made it happen to enter inside after a long wait of literally 2 hours. There are people still outside who are waiting eagerly to somehow come inside and sit over here and experience the thrive and thirst of nostalgia. So this is the place in a nutshell. I'll try to show you something more, but in a nutshell, this is it. Moving on to the food, this is the chicken pakora that was served hot with tomato ketchup. Then we have 5 pieces of fish finger which was served with kashondi. So for Bengalis and I think other province people, snack is always about something fish and chicken pakoras and bhajis. And what else you want if you have this cup of hot coffee served in front of you, that too from Coffee House.
So hi all, we finally are in the esteemed location of Coffee House Newtown. So as I told you that we are not totally sure that whether we will be able to come inside or not, somehow we have made it happen. Thankful to God for that. So as you can see in the background, lot many people and chaos are there. Even I don't know how much you will be able to hear me because I forgot my mic outside. So we have just started to have this starter followed by fish kobiraji and mixed chow mein and all those things. So we have covered the video also. So that gradually will be coming up. I'll try posting this video as early as possible so that it can cater benefit to you all, and I'll also make note that in which time you should be coming and how much time you should keep on hand while you come to this place, because nowadays the rush is too high, and if you're not having the appropriate and that much time with you people, then you cannot wait. Okay, so with that I'll start showing you the entire place as much as possible because it's already very crowded. I cannot rush to different places to show you, but I'll try to.
This is the staircase with lot of painting decorations that actually leads to the top part of the eatery. So I'm totally amazed with the simplicity and the great design that they have come up to maintain the ethnicity and the nostalgic feeling over here. So this is a literally big eatery with the long ceiling fans and the kind of people who are serving over here. So yeah.
I came across a few blogs where people were saying that it is overhyped place or something, but as far as the nostalgia is concerned, as far as the people and the emotion of Bengalis are concerned, you cannot just abstain themselves from sitting in the house after knowing this place. So it has been only a week, but the hype that has been created, it's like major and immense. So I believe that this hype will continue for let's say another 1 month or something, then probably it will come down a little. So with that hope, please stay glued to dailydose.com and keep watching us and keep liking us our video, and please do not forget to support us. That is.
Now let's dive into the menu. Coffee House Newtown provides all-day dining menu which starts from 12 and continues till 7 p.m. Monday is usually closed for them. So they have literally 25 items in their entire menu list, which starts from hot coffee to cold coffee infusions. Then they have pakoras like onion and chicken pakora, different kind of sandwiches. Then they have toasts and omelets, of course. Then moving on to the Chinese item like chow mein, then chili chicken, boneless chili chicken. Then they have fish fry, fish kobiraji. So all these are kind of breakfast and snacking menu. So if you are looking for something like that where you want to chill with your friends and family members, and that too at an affordable rate, then do not miss the opportunity to come to Coffee House Newtown and enjoy their all new menus. So the next set of food that we ordered was onion pakora, which was served hot with tomato ketchup. I kind of liked it. Then this is one big thing which I preferred a lot, that is fish kobiraji. So individually one each we ordered, and it was like a wholesome kind of a meal. Then this is one plate of mixed chow mein, which I personally will say I did not like that much. Now the obvious question that you people have asked me after seeing my post is that how was the food? Now in order to give you the very honest answer, I would tell that the people who keeps on visiting to lot many restaurants and places and who likes exploring foods, for them it will always be okay and average. And for me also, I can surely tell you that I have tasted better fish kobiraji, better noodles than this. But you know what creates the difference? The difference lies in the name Coffee House. It creates a charm. The ambience itself creates a magic inside it. And that is why this place, Coffee House Newtown, is probably the best out of the rest. So this is how the place looks like in the evening, totally glowing and all lightened up. So the best part what I felt was the quick help that we got from the police when there was too much chaos and commotion inside this eatery all of a sudden, because lot many people were waiting in the queues and they all got puzzled with the fact that they will not be able to enter inside the restaurant today. Now I'll quickly take a tour around this place just to show you how it looks like, so that you people can also create one idea inside your mind and visualize that how
So
things
I hope you
are.
already know my mom, because she also comes in plenty of the videos along with me. So you can see the illumination of the place and how it looks like. So it's just the starting of the winter and they came up with such a good idea of coffee house. So this property is under HITCO, and it is government, West Bengal government undertaking property. So the place inside is very much spacious, accommodating a set of 100 150 crowds in total. They have the sitting places above also and below also. Under the single ceiling they have above and ground two places to sit on. And the best part is the quick serving of the food. So I think the waiters, those were here, they were very courteous, and they kind of served the food as early as possible without any delay. Like after we seated in just I will say in another 5 or 10 minutes, they served us with hot coffee and chicken pakora and fish fingers. Apart from that, the thing that I love the most is that their fixed time is from 12 to 7, but now it is more than 7 o'clock, it's almost 7:30. So now also they are running over there, and a few people who were waiting for a long period of time, they also could come over there and finally they could have a seat. So that is one big thing that they have maintained, though now they are saying that they will maintain the time, but they did not disappoint the mass of people. So that is one good thing. But owing to the COVID situation that is prevailing, I think a little more cautiousness should be there in terms of managing the crowd, because when we came there was a lot many people and actually managing them was becoming very tough. So I think they will come up with plans and ideas by which they can actually control the mass of people pouring in. So yeah, overall experience was extremely good from our end, from my end, my parents' end as well. I hope the people who were coming inside and finally going to their home, they also were quite satisfied with the food and facilities and everything. Newtown will gonna be a new esteemed, nostalgic and emotional place for all of the Bengalis and of course the other people coming to West Bengal, of course. So please do not miss the opportunity to come over here and enjoy sipping on hot coffee and some good snacks. So with that, we are hoping that all of you will take care of yourself and stay good, stay fit, and of course keep watching dailydose.com. And do not forget, if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe us and keep on liking and sharing with your friends and family members and your loved ones. Bye bye, take care, good night. So taking a stroll alongside this beautiful eatery. So nowadays the eateries that we see are the cozy ones with very small sitting areas, but here they have given us a wide lawn in which we can actually roam. So there were sadly, of course, there were lot many people who could not enter the place because of the time constraint, but they definitely managed to come here and click some good images. At least that is what stays, right? So we are hoping that with time the rush will gradually diminish and more people will get the opportunity to come. Now, one more important thing is the thing of time. So, if you really want to come and enter inside and enjoy the food and not just click pictures from outside, then please ensure that you are coming by 3:30 or max to max 4 o'clock and not going beyond that. Once you come, enroll your name in their list and wait for your name to be called out. Yes, that's what you have to do in order to come to this place. So, with all of this and a long day, we are finally signing off over here. Goodbye, guys. Take care and hoping to meet you soon in some other vlog. Till then, stay tuned, stay glued, and keep watching dailydose.com.